Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss Kaspa and its token KAS. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, the price of Kaspa is at around 5 cents. It's still trading uh, below the 20-week simple moving average, 21-week exponential moving average, as well as 50-week simple moving average. It's in a downturn, and this channel has been well established since July 2024. Whenever the price goes to the bottom of the channel, there is a higher likelihood that again it goes at least to the middle of the channel, or if not, visit the 50-week simple moving average that acts ultimately as resistance, this blue line over here, and then we go further along in the price action mode. Right now, the key averages of importance are between 6.7 cents and 7.2 cents. So those are the key levels. Before that, there is this horizontal line of support, which now will potentially act as resistance, which is at around 5 and 5.8 cents. So coming to the Kaspa's machine learning based price analysis, just charts over here are available for all, no signups required. This is a seasonal ARIMA based prediction with confidence level, what the price action could be in a non-euphoria bull run over the next 2 months, between 5.7 cents. That's where the major area of resistance, this white line over here, is. And towards the end of the year, it's close to 8.3 cents. That's conveniently where the 50-week simple moving average, if we have to extrapolate it towards the end of the year, could meet that blue line over here at around 8.3 cents. So barring any major euphoria, the machine learning model predicts a similar area of confluence between the technical analysis, first at the 5.8 cents and towards the end of year at around 8.3 cents. With some euphoria towards the end of the year, if the market go parabolic, 11 cents is still within the 2 standard deviation bull case. Again, that's conveniently where the top of the channel is on this green line over here. If you were to look towards the end of December, slightly closer to 12.7 cents, so that could be a visit back to the top of the channel before the 2026 potential bear market. The 3 standard deviation blow off top scenario could go slightly higher than that, at around 14 cents. So one major fake out to the upside somewhere over here, 14 cents, and then come cooling down in 2026. So those are the 3 scenarios established by the machine learning model. The regression based fair value for Kaspa is right now at around 5.1 cents. If it were to reach that orange line to kind of culminate the bull run, that per this regression model is at around 10 cents, signaling a area of confluence between the 2 standard deviation machine learning model, the 2 standard deviation regression model, as well as the descending channel, this green line, the top of this channel as well. So those are the zones of most confluence. The time weighted average price risk has gone down quite a bit for Kaspa. Now the price is below the time weighted average price, which is at around 7.5 cents. Anytime price has been below the time weighted average price, with that caveat that Kaspa staying relevant in the next bullish phase of the asset class. Accumulating below the time weighted average price, not the worst idea. Not financial advice. The DCA model is again a derivative of the regression based risk model. Right now the regression based risk is at around 0.28. If it were to go to the top of the channel and visit the risk level somewhere close to 0.5 and 0.6, the price in that scenario could be between 7 cents and 8 cents. Last but not the least, the 20-week simple moving average price based risk was less than 0.1 in third week of November. Now it's at around 0.18. So it's still the second best time to DCA per this color coded model on the SMA chart. What we have seen thus far since late December 2024 is whenever the risk goes to between 0.4 and 0.5, there is a cool off between, and that if you were to forecast using that model, the 20-week simple moving average price model, the price could again go to between 11 cents and about 12 cents, and that again going back to this green line top of the channel. All in all, again, if we were to look for any major zone of confluence before the if there is no euphoria, then the zone of confluence is at around between 8 and 8.5 cents. With euphoria, it could get extended between 11 to 12 cents. With that, I'd like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. You can also check out all the news sentiment related score. Right now, the overall last 24 hours sentiment on this website, this is again derived from social media and news outlets related to crypto. How is the last 24 hours sentiment? The peak values, completion of the bull run is still only 26%. The narratives which are currently popular in the asset class over the last 7 days, again the bullish surge has come back, which the size of the bearish and bullish narratives is almost one and the same. A lot of narratives related to Bitcoin, not much related to altcoins as of now. And last but not the least is you can check out the SMA risk on BTC and ETH in this band fashion between low risk and high risk to understand one holistic picture of almost 70 to 80% of the market share is garnered by BTC and ETH. You can see BTC dominance at around 58%, 12% roughly speaking ETH dominance, or 70% together BTC and ETH. So what happens on their risk journey also matters a lot over here. With that, you can check out all of these charts also, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. We do have this running banner on BTC and ETH and some of the major assets, what they could do in a non-Euphoria base case and a Euphoria bull case on this channel. And again, that can be checked for other assets such as, for example, over here Kaspa over here. On this estimated bull case scenario, with the help of this risk reward analysis using these individual models that we looked at in an aggregated fashion, the regression or DCA model, the time weighted average price model, the SMA model, and the base peak again at around 8 cents, the moon case at around 11 cents for Kaspa, again in line what we discussed today. So with that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.